Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to another video. Wow, what a beautiful day here in Puerto del Carmen. And we have a blue sky that you really love. As you can see at my back, look at that. And of course, wow, the island never stopped of getting busier and busier this year. Yeah, so summer is officially started here in Puerto del Carmen. Long time no see, folks. I've been out for a while. I didn't make a video for a couple of days. So busy, busy at work. And the baby have lots of things because it's finishing the school last week. This week is the last week that they're gonna enjoy the schools. There's a lot of activities they need to do, and we need to buy some stuff, things, and all the things that they need to do to keep her happy. So we just made it. This is the last day that they have. So time check, it's 9:42 and it's 19th of June. It's already 19th, folks. So I'm here in the front of this beautiful beach right now, and the weather is really stunning, folks. And as you can see, the beach right now is just super quiet. There's a lot of people, not a lot of people, sorry, but I guarantee this is the peaceful place you can enjoy. Let's have a closer look. Let's go down. Let's see what's happening at the beach right now. Apparently some bars are still closed, some are open. They'll do from breakfast. And the weather is just super nice and happy. Blue sky, happy. Let's have a closer look at the beach. So if you like this video, folks, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe, and follow Vince PH in a Facebook page as well. I post some little videos around there, so if you missed the YouTube video, we have a video as well on Facebook. So yeah. So anyway, this is the beach. I want to have like a closer look. If you don't make we do this every day, like making some videos. But the thing is, if you stop for a couple of days and you want to do it again, just like you're starting a new one, like you're back to zero, if you know what I mean. I'm trying. So here we go. The best place you ever see. You see, that's the place that I've been renovating, the golf one. So let's have a closer look and let's see how the process is going. My own review of this establishment that they are doing is similar as in a Playa Blanca, like I said, and it's really cool. You have a little tiny shop that they need to renovate right here. Right there, that one, that's the spot. Wow, Palm Beach today. You see? Wow. It's a beautiful weather and enjoyable to walk around here. Look how fun the sun is. Feel happy to make this video again. Let's have a closer peek of this establishment that are fixing right here near the Barcarola, in the front of Cherry Moon and Bagatella restaurant. It's just right here. Look, it's getting in shape, huh? 1, 2, 3, third floor, and there's a balcony that you can enjoy to lie down a little bit. The next door is the beer garden. It's nice. Wow, look at how beautiful the place is. There's a lot of smoothie rocks right here. That's very slippery. That's the thing, don't have any proper shoes to walk around here, so it's very dangerous. But anyway, We cannot go much further because it's very slippery. But it's really nice. There's some, I don't know if you can see it in the camera. I will zoom it so you can see it. I can't, look. Oh, I get stuck there. Let's go back. Very dangerous. Slippery, slippery. Look at this spot. Very nice. There's someone living here. Some caves. Wow, very nice. And I'm happy to be in the video again, making this video again. So happy. I'm making one. This is a quick update of the place. I'm just wondering where to go now. But always we sit there and overlook this beach. Now we're here looking at them right there. I know it doesn't make sense what I'm saying right now. It's just I'm overwhelmed and happy to make a video again. Oh, they're making progress here as well. Look, they fixed this one. So we're going back up the main strip. So let's see Puerto del Carmen Avenida. Oh. You can feel you're old when you're going up in the stairs, yeah? All your weights are in your knees. So you're going up. It's really needs some effort. Going down is fine. Here, going up is hard. I think for the most people, the hardest part is going down. So anyway, it's 22 degrees today. Not bad for this beautiful island. Though this beautiful weather. It's amazing. Past few days very cloudy, very dull gray sky, and now we have blue sky, which is perfect. Look, wow, palm trees dancing in the wind. The sun is just right there, up in the sky, giving brown skin to each of everyone. And of course, Puerto del Carmen, the best choice to move around. Wow, so time check, 9:50. I'm still here in Puerto del Carmen. Did you enjoy our last cycling adventure? That's when we went to Ursula. That's a very long cycling that I have. That's the longest I. It's 100 kilometers from Puerto del Carmen to Ursula, back and forth. So it's hard, but made it. This is the process of ongoing construction. It's nearly done, so it's awesome. They're still making around there, changing things, fixing stuff, everything in between. So I think they're rushing it so they can make it in the daytime. They say before end of this year it's gonna be finished. I think so. So already have some crystals upstairs. Downstairs, not yet in progress, but we hear the banging, right? So they're starting out. This restaurant as well, they're gonna open soon. So bien, Tito. Restaurant Lounge Maria. Look, the name is Maria. Lounge drink sea view experience. Wow, it's a new one. Beer garden is here. I hope they put some sandwiches around there, so much better, you know. They don't. It's okay. Drinking is fine. So we're here at this spa, La Gruta. Beautiful place. This is the first cocktail that we have right here. First date actually with my wife. First cocktail is the Monkey Donkey. That's the one. And then after that, my wife gets pregnant. Yum yum. Tiny bars right there. This is nice bar as well. How about tiny coffee there? And of course, Puerto del Carmen. Woohoo! What else can we ask for, right? Beautiful weather, nice people, everybody doing their thing. So yeah, just be it. I can't even talk anymore, you know, I just want to film and see things going. Keep on going. Lots of people doing some exercise. Battery, folks. A nice pastry as well. Don't get me wrong, it's a little bit expensive in my taste, but they do the job, you know. They have the nicest and best place to hang out or have a coffee and pastry as well, but they're a bit expensive, but it's worth a try because they have a nice view, nice big terrace to sit down. There's a lot of choices, and yeah, things are all way in a different location. The White Lion, oh, the White Lion come right here, folks. The White Lion is here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, here you go. They're in this spot. We're gonna zoom it to you, folks, so you can see it. It's right there. White Lion. They changed the place right there, which is great. You know why? Because there's no more stairs to tackle on, so you can get to the bar. Not like before, you need to go upstairs. I think that's the one hurts a lot, you know, people going upstairs. But if you're just like in the regular place with no stair at all, you can make some money. Just like Palm Bay. Look, Palm Bay now is big. Not big, I mean well known. It was really nice. 67 bar. Wayne Steakhouse. Wow. Ooh, what happened to this Barranquilla beach? There's a lot of seaweed. I don't know what you call that one. A seaweed? I think so. I'm sorry for not posting every single day the video. There's a lot of people saying, oh, you're not, I didn't see your video a lot. I make a video but not much as before. You know, I was supposed to have like everyday video, but now I just do maybe 2 or 3 days before I post another video. I'm getting busier and things to do, but still doing this video and sharing to you folks what's going on here in Puerto del Carmen every single day. So yeah, this is my space and this is where we are and this is what we have. So if you fancy to join our walk, this is the channel you need to see. You can enjoy this one. Wow, spoon. They have a nicest breakfast out there for sure. They have the big terrace. You can enjoy it. yeah, and the weather is really, really spectacular. You can enjoy it to get a tan skin. That's like me. So yeah, I need to go to work at 12. I just want a quick walk around and yeah, share things around. Look how beautiful this place is. You will see Puerto Ventura a little bit right there in the shadow of some tiny Kalima, but it's fine. It's not super hot. It's very beautiful, you know. If you're sitting on one of those bench and overlooking this beautiful view, I think you have the best time of your life. Look at the place. It's just one happy place. You stay, live, and enjoy. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna try to post every day so I can keep up to our videos. But for now, this is what I got, and this is my time, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And like I said, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Please support your locals and follow BeatsPH in Facebook so you can see lots of tiny little bit of videos around here in Puerto Rico. So I think that's it, folks. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the vlogs, and see you in the next episode. So peace out, and see you in the next one. Woohoo! Happy days.